O país segue.
Yabona esihlahleni opposite next door khona house khona nendlu le ngathi Palisade yeah thengisana ama-popcorn tangaleli kibo semlakwata ju lethi uthengisani ngithengisa ama-popcorn ilanyana hamba uthengisa le
Bokuphi kanti?
bengilapha ekhoneni leli lambe
Lapha
ehlahleni ya uthi ngiyothengisa somewhere else nta hawu mangibona lethene la ngihlula vele buku umuntu wakhona ngisitshe ukuthi uvulile uvalile amlaka sabi competition
No, ibuyile bese.
mina ngathi ayibuyile cha
no shilling. This is motherfucker.
as soon as possible
Sifaka izindaba esingazazi. Jomo ucabanga mfana kungenzakalani Jomo? La South Africa mashita sidecide one day ukuthi asibhadali ikoliti.
Asiphathani kwelithi.
You in trouble.
mfana uzovale ukhanyane athi i-taxes rate yakhuphuka na 100 basis
I'm
points
talking about 40 million yabantu. They gonna hunt you out, dog.
amfana isarsa ibalekile yabona le building le
40
ngathi
million
triangle
yabantu is way bigger than the fucking army. Sell your assets.
ba
40
blacklist
million people is way bigger than the fucking army, bro. 40 million.
but 40 million 1 million only have guns the rest casualties
40 million, Kobe.
Usphethe isibhamu baba you equivalent to 1
Ramaphosa ngafana
100 men.
Angasinga ngiyakutshela na. They're gonna freeze your assets. That's the thing. Tell them I want to have that power. No, Tiwa, I look at what Kepitech. No more I said look at 40 million people. 40 million. They're gonna freeze them one by one. Assets.
amaraveli uqinisile ucrash ngabazowafreeze
If they freeze those assets. No, SARS phela phela mfethu ungakhohlwa ukuthi wena
if you don't own those assets
Listen to this now.
what is the population? 40 million. They're gonna come to your demands, my chief. Mfana bazoshaya meeting into angantibane. You need to consider these things. What is the population of South Africa? As of 65. 65 million. Yeah. 40 million doesn't pay.
it's bancane yo
Below 40 million. Do you know that the richest people actually make up like I think 5%? Below 65 is like 5% abantu who are
Kaba
rich.
looking to yakhala
And now to understand what labantu laba ba rich
idama thitani ngathi
they can keep
ngizonyisethela
everything running. They can keep everything running
many
without you.
virgins.
Do you understand that? Serious, I'm telling you.
People
Those CEOs in fact labo bahola amabhillion nani ababhadali ikweleti dog. Abaye ebhanini ababhadali ikweleti. Umlungu akasayenzi imali dog. I'm already fucking up mfana. Umlungu akasayenzi imali, mara umlungu unepesa ehethu. Mara mfethu
inkinga maye umlungu unepesa rate wena urely kuyo
Kobe kahle point lami ukuthi nje abantu bane power. Umthetho fair une power. Listen, not over. In numbers. Let's be realistic. It's okay fine. Umlungu akasayenzi imali ngoba uye emsebenzini. Umlungu uyenzani? Boots afaka omunye umuntu. There's always somebody who wants to work.
Yeah, like that.
There's always somebody who wants to work. Ebhatala leyo tax yena mangafika. I-state economy mfethu ye nation mfethu si bankruptcy. Angeke let's be realistic. 40 million people mashita 40 million people mashita. Sihle uyeka ispani manje mfethu who's going to buy you alcohol? Who's going to pay for your needs?
true inkinga that's the
It's not about striking.
umuntu akafuna
It's not
ukusafara
about pega mama.
Ubuyele emsebenzini,
Now,
ubuyele.
it's not about striking. Usabhadala ikoloto. Ba freeze ama account wakho. What are you going to do? You're surviving ngani? Because once ba freeze account again, you can't even do shit. I understand why I'm Mara mina I'm being realistic here. Dog, 40 million people. Mara I'm being realistic. Abaye emsebenzini.
What are like but 40 million maska nergo.
Abaspana.
Maska.
Kaputsa mfethu. Get a new one. They're gonna get someone. Duck is hungry, dog.
Ramaphosa angashaya first meeting ekuseni dog.
Qinisile ukobe ke lapha.
Oh, Duck is hungry. Duck is
No, dog, I'm talking about that point where
Do you think what people will
now
do
are
that?
fed up, dog.
Do you think-
Ba fed up ntanga abantu ukuthi manje South Africa kwenzakala kanje nani.
Lapho niyazibulala
Taking a
ke lapho.
stand, dog.
Lapho niyazibulala ke.
Instead ukuthi sihambe soshisa, mara manje instead ukuthi sihambe soshisa.
Njengezimbabwe.
Lapho ubulala
Khumbule.
i-country straight. Lapho ungena ku-recession.
Yabona
same
thina
time.
kena sipeta ngani as a country.
I'm
Ukuthi ma striker simosha izinto.
Smosh izinto,
Aye.
dog.
No, leave that.
That is like the stupidest thing you can do.
Okay, fine. We go and say 40 million
Saku
people are
recession.
suspect.
Saku recession.
What's going to happen to the country's economy?
Blind. Ayokehla. It's gonna go in
Bese
turmoil.
mawubuyisana lalela
Yanga
uyayenza lento
isimba
leyo.
koba yi-50 rand ke.
Sihle, uyayenza lento leyo. Mawubuyikhabatha wena.
50
Recession
rand.
yokhabatha wena.
Reason irandi lifile
50
man.
rand
It's
machika,
because
nina
we don't have
nibamboni,
enough workers.
sofika, ila-
Unemployment rate is
Inflation.
Mara keep it slow.
High.
We push every time.
Mara sofika, dog. Sofika ntanga when the day una 45.
mara tang.
Amali,
Young.
amali. Mara yenza
Young.
145 hayi manje.
Yabona lapho ingayenzakala if unemployment rate ingekho low. Where people see good manje. The country slipper off. Blind.